Alright. Poaching on a ZX6R. Let's go. Let's go. Let's let it go. Alright. We blow right here. Blow right here. Ooh. Little caca. Ooh. Let that drain. Let that drain and we should be good. Beep. Easy peasy. Let's go. Easy. New filter. Take the old filter. Alright.
No. Drip ease. Level. No. Drip ease.
Alright. Oh, we gonna make a mess. We get messy out here, so whatever.
Get that oil luber.
Dip my finger in there. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Luber up. Let's luber up.
Make sure it ain't tight. Caca. Little caca.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Alright. Got the oil filter on. Nice. Check, check. We got that plug back in. No spills. And we should be good. Let me turn it on. Easy. Let's go. Now I just gotta clean this up.